In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into the process. Gumroad is a fantastic platform for buying and selling digital goods, but sometimes you might find yourself in a situation where you need a refund. It's totally understandable, whether it's a product that didn't meet your expectations, or perhaps there was a mistake with your order. So let me guide you through the steps to successfully get your refund on Gumroad. First things first, if you haven't done so already, open up your web browser and navigate to the Gumroad website. If you already have an account, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Just click the Log In button at the top right corner and enter your email and password. If you're a new user, no worries. Just follow the prompts to create an account. Once you're logged in and have access to your dashboard, take a look around. You'll see various options, but for our purpose, we want to find help related to refunds. To do this, look for the Help or Support section, which is typically found at the bottom of the page. You might see a link that says Help or Support. Click on it, and this will direct you to a page filled with information to assist you. Now, we're going to use the search bar on the Help page to find exactly what we need. In that search bar, type in something simple like, "How do I get a refund?" and hit Enter. This will bring up a collection of articles and guides that directly address your question. You'll notice that there may be various articles related to refunds. Click on the one that is most relevant. This article will guide you step by step on the entire refund process. It's a great resource because it often elaborates on specifics and covers aspects you may not have considered. Take your time to read through the instructions. It's important and will give you clarity on what you need to do next. Once you have the necessary information, you might be required to submit a request for a refund. This usually involves filling out a form or sending an email to the seller, depending on the situation. Make sure you include all relevant details, such as your order number and a brief explanation of why you're requesting a refund. Being courteous yet clear in your communication can go a long way when dealing with customer service. After you've submitted your request, be patient. Many sellers on Gumroad are small businesses or independent creators. While they aim to provide prompt customer service, it may take some time for them to get back to you. Checking your email regularly for their response is a good idea. If you don't receive any feedback within the time frame specified in their refund policy, don't hesitate to follow up on your request. A gentle reminder can often prompt quicker action. If all goes well and your request is approved, you should see your refund processed back to your original payment method. However, keep in mind that the time it takes for the refund to reflect in your bank account may vary. Remember, if at any step you feel confused or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Gumroad's customer support directly. They're there to help and typically respond within a reasonable time frame. So that's it, folks. Now you know how to navigate the refund process on Gumroad. Whether it's through understanding the Help section, submitting a refund request to the seller, or following up if needed, these steps should make this process as smooth as possible. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks.